driving the Lotus Esprit V8 Twin Turbo, Final Edition, 2004. Wow. When those turbos spool up, you can hear the air getting sucked into them, and the power really comes in high in the RPMs. It's such a thrill. With the motor connected to the chassis and the body connected to the chassis, you're basically driving the motor. You feel every bump, and it's in a really good, engaging way. This car's clutch is perfect. The air conditioning is perfect. It's like 95 degrees today. It's July in South Florida, and thank you so much for having good air conditioning. It makes all the difference. It is just such a fun car to drive. It's got great visibility. Oh, this is one of the best conditioned examples of a 2004 Lotus Esprit I've ever seen. Only 17,540 miles on it roughly. It's basically brand new. It sounds incredible. What a thrill to drive. Thank you to the owner. And if you've made it this far, oh yeah, let's get a little turn. So nimble. If you've made it this far in the video and you're looking to bid, please do so. Bring a trailer.